Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting both devices talking on the same network. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi is on and the TV is connected to the same router. This reduces lag and discovery issues. Next, enable the TV's screen sharing or casting mode so it's discoverable. On your Android phone, open Connections or Display Settings and tap Cast or Smart View. You'll see available devices. Once done, tap the TV name to initiate discovery so the phone can request a connection. Once you tap the TV from your phone, a pairing handshake begins. Accept prompts on the TV and enter a PIN if asked to secure the link. Make sure your phone's cast quality is set for performance. Many Androids let you choose resolution or low latency mode, which matters for video or games. Also, close heavy background apps and pause updates to avoid stutters. If audio doesn't route, check phone output and TV input selection. Make adjustments and re-tap the device to reconnect. After your screen appears on the TV, confirm touch and sound responsiveness. Use the phone to control media and the TV remote to adjust volume. To finish, stop casting from the phone notification or cast tile and the TV will return to its prior input. If you can't connect, reboot the router, then TV, then phone. This clears discovery and IP conflicts. And if wireless mirroring fails repeatedly, connect with a USB-C to HDMI or MH.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.